So most of you guys don't know this, but if you ever wondered why I've been in a strange car for these past couple of months, I actually blew the motor on my truck, and finally I got it back. And let me tell you, it is really nice to have my truck back, because I have missed it severely. So this memorandum thing, what is it gonna do? It's gonna create a cloud on the title stating that me and this dude had an agreement to sell the property to me, and basically that my agreement either has to be fulfilled or they have to contact me first before they sell this property. In doing so, what that's gonna do is it's gonna give me the ability to create basically a title issue where they can't sell the property without my permission, because I had first right of refusal with my contract. A lot of guys do this on almost every single property that they do, or any property that's a large deal. For me, it's a waste of time, because this is a very rare occurrence that ever happens, at least to me. I mean, in other states, maybe you guys come across this more often, but this is like maybe one of the first times that anybody's ever wanted to back out because of this situation, saying that, oh, there's an issue on the deed when there's really no issue at all. You know, I've had people back out because it was taking too long. Like, we had a property that we had to do a survey on because the property was so old, it never was surveyed and didn't have a proper legal description. So we had to do a survey on it. He canceled that transaction and said, you know what? I don't want to deal with you guys because it's taking too long. Completely understand that. I'm not going to be like, oh, no, you know what? No, I have an agreement. You have to sell to me. He wanted to back out. He gave me a real valid reason. I understood his frustration. And I didn't want to make him more angry. Okay? That's the least thing that we would want to do, is make somebody angry. If somebody wants to pull out for a real reason, okay, I understand. You know, hey, you guys aren't giving me enough money. Another guy wants to give me more money. Cool, at least give me the opportunity to either match the offer or give you a better offer. Whatever. It is what it is. This is real estate. Every day, every night, never changes. This is the reality of all this stuff that we go through. Right now, I'm on my way to UPS. I'm gonna go have this memorandum signed and get it notarized. That way I can go up to the county and file it with the Register of Deeds. Notary.
Step over to that counter right there. Gonna sign, print, and then title. Okay, anything else?
I'd like to file this memorandum.
And your name, please.
I'll give you my license, make it easier. All right, memorandum is filed. Here it is. So it cost me 26 bucks. Not bad. So what exactly were the steps of me filing this memorandum? Well, number one, this memorandum was drafted up by my attorney. She cannot file these anymore because the North Carolina board asked them not to file memorandums anymore. I took it upon myself to just basically take the copy that she has done for me in the past. I did this once on another property, and I just changed the information to my information on who recorded it and who it was prepared by, which it was prepared by me. So what were the steps? Step one, have the memorandum. Step two, make sure that you have an actual contract between you and the seller. And the reason why that's so important, they're gonna want to see that contract. They're gonna call you. They're gonna be like, hey, did you have a contract to purchase this property? And of course, I have one. Get the memorandum, fill it out, which all it is stating that me and the seller had a contract. Go down to your local Register of Deeds, and that's where you're gonna go record this thing at. So I paid $26 to record it. Of course, could be different where you're at. Let me see here. Don't want to put my personal information out there. 26 bucks. And yeah, they gave me that, and I think they gave me a receipt. You guys can see it right there, $26. Now I'm gonna sit and wait and see if this guy finds out that we recorded this memorandum, because if he goes to sell it, I'm gonna know, because he's gonna be very, very upset, because he's not gonna be able to move forward until I get my money back, aka my assignment fee. $46,000 is what I want. He's gonna have to either pay me out or go along with my closing. Either way, now he's committed. This is why when you sign an agreement or when you sign a contract, please make sure that you're gonna perform on the contract, even on your side as a buyer. Do not leave these guys hanging like that. Right when I was doing my video, I got interrupted by my partner. He says that the guy wanted to meet me up to give back the earnest money. And just to give you an idea, guys, sometimes you gotta put this amount of money down. 5 stacks right here, for real. This ain't no China money. We gave $5,000 down to secure this because he thought, you know, we weren't for real. And I knew if we would have gave the 5 down that we could sell these 2 duplexes. So we figured, you know, because of the rental income and the future rental income, that it was worth it. Plus, we also realized that if somebody wanted to buy it with a conventional loan, they would have praised. It was somebody who sold a duplex right down the street for $200,000. So we knew putting this amount of money on the line was worth it. Now, of course, just starting out, don't put this kind of money up, okay? You will lose it immediately, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Put down 10, 20, 100 bucks. You know, it's a low risk. You lose 100 bucks, you can make it back. But, you know, 5K, this is, you know, not for the faint-hearted. So we just met up here at this pizza place and he gave me this cash. I filed the memorandum. He says he's gonna get back to us if he can sort out this deed issue that he says he has. Figure it out. But if he's lying, I'll find out. If he's not, he'll call us back and, you know, I can easily write off the memorandum and we'll be good to go. That's it for my day. I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm going on a short vacation because I need it. There's a lot of stress. This is stressful here. Not the payday that I wanted. 45,000, not 5. Or the 5 that I put back. So this was my investment. My return was 0. But luckily, got my investment back. Day sucks. At least I got to record 1 deal. Recorded a deal out in Charlotte. Made like $65,000 on it. Woohoo! Yeah, I guess some good news. But for now, which I gotta actually check and see. You can only count it when the money's in the bank and it's there. So, thank God. I was sweating bullets over that deal because we actually bought that deal from a realtor. I was hoping that she wasn't gonna see the assignment fee because lawyers here don't do blind HUDs anymore. If they do, it's rare. And I couldn't find another attorney to do a double closing because you can't double close on a deal as an attorney. So like, let's say I bought a property today and I want to sell it today. I can't use the same attorney because it's not in the best interest of the client, and client being whoever's buying it from me. You know, it's not in their best interest, I guess. I was like sweating because it was an assignment, and I was like, man, I hope this lady don't see that HUD and see, hey, why are these guys making 65K off of a deal I sold to them for 210? It's the way it is sometimes, but thank God it played out. She didn't see it and she didn't complain about it. And I mean, even if she would have saw it, we're investors. We're here to make money. This isn't a charity. But that's it for my day, guys. You know, I'm happy something worked out at least. I got a few other closings that blew up there. So this 2 duplex deal was $45,000. I had another deal that got killed by title issues with heirs and stuff like that. So $100,000 in assignment fees. Thrown away, boy. Oh man, it's just the way it is, I guess. You know, this is the life. The life, man. Sometimes the life is very stressful. It can be exciting, but it can be stressful. At least I think we got like 80 grand worth of closings done this week. That's a good thing. The meth house is still driving me crazy. My partner had to drive to Georgia to get the seller to re-sign the deed on a house that we already supposedly closed on. And that one, I'm out 20K. Okay, $20,000 for an error my attorney did with the deed. Hopefully we can wrap that up. That's another 35K right there in assignment fees. Hopefully March will be a really nice month. I'm hoping that if we close everything, I got another deal that's ready to close in a few days. Everything closed, we made like $250,000 to $300,000 in March. So keep my fingers crossed on this. But until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm going on vacation today. I'm gonna go up to the mountains and take a break from all this stress before I kill somebody. Not really, but just you know, it's been a very stressful week. It's been a very stressful 2 months. I haven't gone on vacation in 60 days. So that's a long time for me. All right, guys, so catch you later. Peace.